Call back at you here. We've set up a preloaded video here to give you an understanding of how we have taken SCC's platform and integrated it with webhooks seamless integration. What we've done here in this video clip is show you specifically Teams integration and how we're sending alert notification from BMC, relaying it through using webhook services and posting it within Teams integration, showing you specifically a graceful shutdown of a server. So this is a very interesting use case for you. You can certainly do other types of post events, such as alert notification for lifecycle management for cooling tower and a liquid cooled data center, alert notification for CDUs and PDUs. Perhaps PDUs are set for a certain set point. You overutilize the PDU and want to send those alerts and post them within a collaboration tool such as Microsoft Teams integration. So let's roll the video here. We will periodically stop it to give you some understanding of aspects of the video and how you can be successful to implement webhooks architecture into SuperCloud Composer. So let's roll the video and start. So the first thing we're going to do is basically navigate over to Call Home, where you set up a policy-based alert, and you're going to enable it. By default, Call Home is disabled. We're going to go through and basically set up that policy for BMC. In this case, we're enabling it. We're flagging all the various different alerts that are specifically coming in through Redfish subscription services from BMC, such as message event log information and message event log information. In our use case here, we're going to show a graceful shutdown of a server through immediate action of shutting this down through BMC of our web GUI. We're identifying the appliance that is going to participate in this request and then send alert channel settings through our relay over, adding them in and putting what we call the destination relay URL for each of standard webhook service. We're going to initiate or basically set up a secret token to make sure that that request goes over as encrypted. So we'll add that information in there. And then we'll also set the relay agent destination for Microsoft Teams integration here as well through a destination address we set up. So once we complete this, we'll confirm the detail to show you what alerts we've set up for policy-based alerts for BMC. And then we'll go ahead and show you the webhook service where the metadata actually was being relayed over, and then certainly the post message within Microsoft Teams. So we'll continue on. We're just reviewing the confirmed detail of the destination addresses for both webhook services and Microsoft Teams integration. And then we'll go ahead and look at the detail around the notification itself. So we'll initiate the BMC shutdown of this particular server through our web GUI, through the compute element list of lifecycle management for server management. And then at that point, we'll go and look at the webhook test metadata that we've sent. You see the payload information here for a graceful shutdown for this BMC IP address 10.138.133. I'm sorry, 131.202. And then we'll do the graceful shutdown, and you'll see the post message being sent into Teams, Microsoft Teams. And you can see here that we've see the BMC event. It's basically placed into Teams integration. So all of these alerts can be sent through other various mechanisms of applications such as ServiceNow and also any call tracking system. In later videos, we'll focus on that. We're continuing to develop integration with some of those important call tracking tools to allow DevOps administrator to be able to respond to an event notification and fix or mitigate those particular servers that have been compromised based on a hardware component failure. That concludes this particular video specific to alert notification. We'll see you next time. Thanks for joining.